One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Okay, everyone. DHL yellow can only mean one thing. It's time for a Seiko haul. But, as promised, when I do these, I will give you a little wrist check so you can see what I've got for today. I'll be right back. Okay, time for a little wrist check. So today I'm wearing my 6619 8060. I think that's what the designation is. Pretty sure. This is what is perhaps a, I don't know. I mean, so some would call this a MACV SOG or a MACV SOG, which is the Special Operations Group for the U.S. military. They were issued a version of this watch, a couple versions, a 7000 series and a 6000 series. This is an earlier incarnation of this Roman dial gray field watch, basically, Seiko 5. That I don't know. Yeah, I'm not such an expert on how these were distributed throughout the military, but it's perhaps debatable that the earliest of these were given as the SOGs. I mean, this is a 68 watch, and so that would mean, you know, early days of the war in Vietnam, and it's just not clear, at least to me, that I've seen one as a military spec, at least personally. I just think it's a cool watch. It's a great one. Looks good, runs good. These are fun. Okay, back to the haul. Okay, we're back from wrist check. Let's do it. Let's open this thing. This is going to be a pretty wild group. This is not from my normal friend. This is a new friend from far away who has sent me hopefully an amazing set of watches. I have not seen these in person. This is us together for the first time. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bags. All right. I don't know. Where do you guys want to start? So exciting. All right. Let's just start unwrapping, and I'll try and keep them a little hidden. Let's see. There's some watches in here that aren't really my norm, but we'll see what we get. Okay, so watch number 1 has a compass. Ah! This one talked to me. Let me give you a hint of what we got here. Okay, watch number 2. Number 3. watch number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 6 has a blue sticker on the back. That's pretty cool. And last but not least, number 7. Okay, folks, here we go. Here we go. Ah, so exciting. All right, we've got some fun pieces here to explore. There's a couple. My goodness. All right, shall we flip? I should come out a little bit. Get them all at once. Okay. A couple of these are what I would consider gifts. Oh, that's pretty. Seiko Presage Moon Phase. Not my typical, but certainly cool. He threw this in as a benefit. I just think that's pretty. Okay. All right, let's go with this one. So this is a Citizen diver. I don't know anything about these, so if you can comment in the comments details about some Citizen information, that would be most appreciated. Perhaps a 73? I'm not even sure what is original and what is not. I know the compass isn't original. But again, I'm not a Citizen guy, so you're going to have to help me figure this one out. It looks like a good one. I believe this is a 4722-710. Yeah. It's a pretty watch. Okay, so that's watch number 1. Let's go to watch number 2. Another Citizen. Oh, that's pretty. Super compressor style. This is a 7-star, 21 joule, 100 meter, para water from, I believe, 68, which is a really cool watch. Okay, so let's put that one aside. All right. So, what else do we have here? Oh! It's Seiko meets Daft Punk. And look, there's actually 2. I don't know what these are, but apparently they're talking. Okay. Hello. Thank you. I don't know what any of this means, but certainly very interesting pair of watches. Again, I don't know what any of that is, but it's certainly fun. Okay, this is the reason I bought this group of watches. Now, I haven't seen these, so I'm excited. Wow. Okay, so this is a 1966 6217 8001 62 Mas big crown. And it is an all original watch. This is correct. I'm really happy with this. Bezel's tight, but we'll take care of that. Very cool. Look at that. Very good dial and hands. Her loom is 100% original. was a little nervous, but I am really happy. Okay, 62 mus. And now, another 62 mus. Now, the keen-eyed among you will see that this is not the original bezel for this watch. It's an aftermarket, but this is a special one. And it's a special one because of that difference right there. This is a small crown, 6217 8000. Now there's not much left on the case back. You can just make out the dolphin. Let's take this sticker off here. See if we can get a little better view of what's underneath. Oh, now, come on, work with me here. These protective films are nice. Again, this should be a 65, which it is. April 65. You can just make out the 8000, which is really nice to see. So again, a very original, very clean watch. Definitely needs a bezel. It's a beauty. I mean, I am extremely happy. Even though I need a bezel, which is fine, I will find one, I hope. Maybe the internet will come to my rescue. But wow, 2 mosses, 1 small, 1 big, a pair of strange, and a pair of Citizens. Pretty nice Citizens, in fact. I'm pretty happy with those. Look at this one is lovely. I like this one a lot. I don't know anything about these watches. If you can inform me in the comments about what I don't know. Screw down crown. It's a good watch. Looks cool. I'll be interested to know what you know. Okay. Well, everyone, that is my Seiko Casio haul. Or Citizen. What am I talking about? Casio. I'm a goof. Seiko Citizen haul. Pretty fun. Nice group of watches. Alright, so signing off. Oh, whatever that means. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching.